In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood portfolio analysis feature. Now there is a built-in tool within Robinhood which lets you view your portfolio history as well as analyze the assets that you have invested in. So within the main tab of the manage investing, you'll be able to see the historical timeline. So you could select from 1 year, year to date, or just select year and take a look at if your assets are growing or shrinking. Secondly, if you tap on this option or this icon on the top, you could get the appreciation value, the income, as well as the total fees that you've incurred within a selected period of time on the bottom as well. Now apart from this, you could also analyze the asset allocation and weighting. If you think you have not yet diversified, you could just head over. You could also view the portfolio diversification within the section and take a look at these sectors or the assets that you have invested in. So within this section, you'll be able to use or view all of your portfolio history or portfolio analytics within this section. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.